Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen Japan, only ways. Begin by simmering bones or kombu with vegetables and aromatics to build a deep, savory broth. Keep heat low and cook slowly to concentrate flavor and clarity. Taste and adjust with soy, mirin, or salt toward the end, and strain thoroughly so your broth is clean, rich, and ready for noodles and toppings. Pick noodles that hold up in hot broth and offer a firm bite, like alkaline or fresh ramen noodles. Boil them in plenty of water, then transfer briefly into your piping hot broth so they absorb flavor without getting soggy. Aim for a slightly firm, chewy texture that complements the broth and toppings, and avoid overcooking by timing each batch carefully for consistent results. Toppings take your bowl from good to unforgettable, so prepare them with care and personality. Make chashu or roast pork for richness, and marinate soft boiled eggs in soy and mirin for a silky center. Add fresh scallions, toasted sesame, nori, and a drizzle of chili or garlic oil for aromatic finish notes. Plate with confidence so each bite balances broth, noodle, and topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.